Sa mga namumutan kong Nagueños asin Sagabos, this is our official statement on Naga's second confirmed COVID case. On April 2, the patient complained of fever, difficulty of breathing, and chest pain. At about 10 o'clock in the evening, he was brought to NICC. At around midnight, he was transferred to BMC, where he was immediately swab tested. At about 1 o'clock a.m. of April 3, the patient died. He was immediately cremated upon the advice of our city health officer. Likewise, all persons who had primary and secondary contact with the patient were quarantined. Initial investigation reveals that the patient has no travel history in Metro Manila or outside the country. Early this morning, April 6, we attempted to reach the regional office of the Department of Health. And at 10:18 a.m., Dr. Ernie Vera, the Regional Director of DOH, confirmed to us that the patient tested positive for coronavirus. As earlier mentioned, necessary precautions were already undertaken as early as 3 days ago or on April 3. And today, as additional precautionary measures, we ordered the re-disinfection of the entire barangay and placed most part of Barangay Calawag under extreme community quarantine or lockdown. The people of Calawag are enjoined to stay at home and to monitor body temperature and health condition. Please immediately reach us for any symptoms or manifestations of illness at this number 0917-847-3644. I repeat, 0917-847-3644. This number is exclusive for the people of Calawag subjected to lockdown. To our fellow Nagueños, please continue to observe proper hygiene and sanitation, as well as follow all measures advised by our health authorities. Saliwat po, marhay na pagkaaga.